Listen. All right, listen. Jimmy is hot under the collar.
Jimmy's
and I think it's something that a lot of people can relate to, so I think we should bring it up on the show. I think he might have broke his iPhone, first of all.
Fuck the iPhone, a piece of shit. Garbage. It's a garbage technology.
I hate it too because it's hard to text, right?
No, texting is the easy part. You got bad reception. It's slow. It's garbage. Garbage.
But Jimmy is
Here's the stock market. I'm losing money, and I always knew to keep my money away from these fucking scumbag vultures. I have never gotten greedy and tried to dabble with these fucking scumbags on Wall Street. And that's what you are. You're fucking scumbags.
They can't hear you. They're not allowed to use the...
I know. But the ones that hopefully they're on a ledge right now about to commit suicide. Jump!
So
fucking pieces of shit.
You got into the stock market recently.
Only because I listened to my stupid fucking manager. Who I got a business guy, do you? I always avoided that shit.
Yeah.
I avoided them. And I got involved recently. And it's just, I know it's a bad time. I get it. Where the whole market's down! I know it is, you fucking cunt. But I do understand why people walk into an office with a rifle and fucking kill people.
Yeah.
I get it. I really get it.
Yeah, it's, see the stress and pain Jimmy's feeling? That's what's going on in this country today. People with their retirement plans and everything else, and they get the statement and go, oh, there we go. It's worth half as much as it was.
I tell you, they beat that guy to death. I would love if they dragged some of these fucking scumbags into the street and beat them to fucking death.
Who'd they beat to death?
Some guy in India. He was some...
boss, right?
Yeah, the boss. But
I
that's
thought you were
what needs
talking
to
about
happen.
Crystal Knock.
Oh, yes. The night of shattering glass.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. That's what needs to happen. A few of these guys need to be dragged out by their fucking faggot ties, their fucking blood-sucking ties, and they need their fucking heads beaten in with a tire iron.
All right, let's get working on that right away, guys, if we can.
Don't worry, guys, I have the perfect line for Jim. Hey, tell us how you really feel.
Oh, Colin.
Jimmy threw
You're incorrigible.
I'm impressed that the iPhone...
it's only the case around the iPhone. The
stood
iPhone,
up to what
it
you
couldn't
just
be
did
any
to it.
worse. It couldn't be any worse.
Second throwing of the iPhone
piece of
today,
shit.
though.
Oh, really?
Yes, I saw the first one.
The second one went from the couch, bounced, and hit the wall over here.
The first one was a very
Oh,
short
what did he just call
slam
this guy
dunk.
right now?
No. But I told him to put a stop after a certain point. And if he didn't, because he's on that fucking holiday today, I'm going to burn the fucking building down.
You put a stop in on
yeah, of course. Of course. I always was going to. I'm more conservative. I paid my mortgage. That's what I did with my money, because the scumbag bank gets 6% interest.
Yeah.
You know, they pay like, what, 1, but they get 6. So I was just paying into my mortgage. And all these fucking cunt, fucking faggot accountants, you should invest it.
You can make more than, if you're making more than 6%, then you're making your money work for you.
Yeah, really? And I'll get you 11. You're not getting me 11% on anything.
Yeah, I don't know where
fucking asshole.
They pull these numbers out of their ass that, this actually was made 25% over the course of, when was that?
Yeah.
It was the invention of the steel I-beam back in fucking 1905.
And I never got involved. I never fucking fell for it. Ever.
Jimmy's like a guy, you are a guy that got caught up in one of those pyramid schemes. This is the same type of thing. Remember, like, years ago, people were all like, dude, I'll get you in on this thing.
Look,
it's a pyramid, and then it builds up, and once you're at the top, everyone gives you the money.
It was good if you got in early, man.
And it never got it. I never knew one person that got paid off. I don't care how early or late they got in, got paid off on a pyramid scheme.
You had to be in early.
You had to be the guy that thought it up is what it is. You got to be early. The guy number one.
Why don't we bring back the pyramid
scheme?
We'll start with our listeners out there.
You give us your money.
$100 a piece.
And then you bring in 3 of your friends
to give you money.
But then you got to give us that money too.
What's funnier than
that? Eventually you work your way up to the top and the cops come and bust it and you go broke.
Yeah.
Okay. then you're mad.
Jimmy, you're.
I'm not. It's not even mad. It's like murderous. Like I really would love to cut somebody down with a rifle. I would love to do that. I would even take the jail hit and just take. It would feel so good.
Go to the range. We'll do a little target practice.
Right through one of their fucking suit jackets.
Dude, oh.
Fucking scumbag. And I'm it's like I'm not some greedy scumbag that always played with money. I was really conservative.
Yep,
But
see?
I pay my fucking mortgage.
What happened? Did you get a little greedy? Did you get?
No,
Just
because I'm like,
But
I'm
were you
fucking-
listening and going like, "Wow, okay, this sounds good"?
No, because it's a slow build. I'm like conservative. But
Yeah.
they probably, like you said, they probably put me more in stock because
Yep.
what they do, being the fucking scumbag vultures that they are, they don't listen. They don't want to go conservative because they don't give a fuck because
Yep.
it's not their money. But no, it was just a matter of like, I was, fucking 39 when I did it, or actually 40. I never invested in my life. It's like, well, you got to have something invested. It's
Yeah.
like, just common sense. I'd be stupid not to invest something. So that's why I started doing it. It's not going to break me. I'm not going to fucking lose my... It's none of that shit.
It'll
It's just,
come
I
back.
hate watching my money go down the toilet when I never fucked with the stock market.
But
never.
There's confusion here. You're not doing any boiler room shit.
No.
You're doing very
legitimate
legit
stocks, a lot of energy stuff.
You know what? Then
You'll be all right in
It'll
the
come.
end,
It comes
Jimmy.
back.
It ain't coming
You can't
back.
watch-
It'll come back.
You can't watch
Citadel
that
won't come
shit.
back. But that shit like that'll come back.
You put it in a drawer and just don't even
You
look
put it in
at
a drawer.
I got the call
Don't even
yesterday. We
look
might
at
want to
it.
lighten it a little bit. Like that means put some more of it in cash. That means they're starting to admit defeat.
That's
like,
there.
wow,
He's getting
we
scared.
can't do anything with this.
Pull it out.
It's like,
tell
where
you what
were
you
you
do.
when it was fucking only down a few dollars? You fucking
You know what
assholes.
else?
The safest investment always real estate.
I didn't touch real estate.
Location. You know what the thing is, Jim? You can't have somebody that's shuffling your money around every fucking day. That's bad. That fucking is gambling. You need to get a portfolio that you review probably every couple of months, maybe. You could leave shit in for a while, and then you review it with your finance guy, and you go with like name blue chip stocks. You go, the bonds, tax-free municipal bonds are very good.
You got to do what I do. I had all my money transferred into singles and fives.
Very good.
I
See,
always-
this is what Colin does.
I always know, like, $5 bill's always going to be good. No matter what happens to the economy.
I just
you're
knew,
not too
though.
far off, though,
I
Colin.
knew. This is why I never got ripped off. Because I never trust these fucking vulture
Yep.
agents, these fucking scumbags who put
They
their
are.
hand in everybody's pockets.
Yep.
I watch everything. I'm careful. I don't trust them because too many artists get fucking stolen
Why do you
from.
think they're driving fucking nice cars?
Yeah,
But
who do you
this is
think-
a case
who do
where you
think
can't
pays for
watch
those titty
everything.
bars? Who do
Yeah.
you think pays for their titty bars?
Titty bars?
You can't watch everything when
steak
it's in an
dinner.
account.
No.
You can't.
Walensky's.
No.
I never should have. I should have just did what I did. It was in the bank. And I was just putting it into my fucking
But
mortgage.
Jimmy, what kind of stuff are you in?
I don't know. Mostly like just for energy stuff. It's all pretty.
Texas Instruments.
None of it's that crazy. I don't think.
Pork bellies.
None of it's crazy.
And frozen
Oh,
orange
look,
juice
Third
concentrate.
largest bank just fell. Oh, that was in Iceland.
wow.
It was in Iceland. Forget about
Bail
it.
out bills
Doesn't
collapse.
count. Good. I'll
European-
take the loss. The more of these fucking pieces of shit that go down and cut their own throats in a tub, the happier I'll be.
Global Financial Summit.
I fucking knew. Instinctively, I fucking knew.
Yeah. It's coming back. Look, we're at 272 points up today.
It means nothing. I lost. I'm down again today. It's irrelevant. Maybe the
Now it's
stock
down
is
to
shit.
266. It was up to 300 before.
Maybe the stock is shit. I mean, I just don't know enough about it,
Oh,
which is why I
boy.
shouldn't have done it.
Oh,
I understand
boy.
interest rates and mortgage,
Write down
and
the
that's
stock,
what I
Jimmy.
should have done. No, I don't know it offhand.
Okay.
Oh, see, that's bad too.
Yeah, but are you into weird stuff? Like
you should know it.
When we started investing back in the day, they got me into some breast cancer drug. That
No,
was
no, no.
supposed
I don't
to be
think it's any of that.
Speculative fucking
That's-
pharmaceuticals.
It was
Oh
supposed to
my
go-
God,
They're
that's
like, you got to
insane.
get in now. It's going to be 100 by the end of the year. This thing is, the last I checked, which is months ago, is trading at $1.10 or something.
Yeah, no, it was not like that.
I lost probably 50 to 70,000 on that one stock alone.
Don't
'Cause of
invest
this
in the
scumbag.
stock either. Invest in the sector.
Well, I know that now. I didn't know back in the day when everyone was day trading and buying stocks.
Like you got.
I got Dell, Jimmy. Dell.
You have it now?
Yes, I'm losing my shirt on Dell.
A lot of mutual
I
funds.
got in three different times on that one.
We should maybe lighten it.
Yeah.
Really? Well, where was that when I told you fucking $30,000 ago to
So
lighten
you
it?
already lightened it.
Where was that?
Oh, so see, you took a hit.
And then we got that.
I want to. I'll take the hit. I'll survive it because I'll yank it. I just know not to get mixed up in that shit. There's a certain. It's a certain fucking scumbag something for nothing mentality.
Yeah.
There's a certain fucking get something for nothing, and I never did that.
You can't have a guy shuffling your shit around every day.
Fucking
You
incompetent
should have,
motherfucker.
you should have a say in every fucking penny that gets moved back and forth, and it should be reviewed every so often. You sit down with the guy, review your folder, and look at everything, and then he'll point things out to you and go, here's what you need to maybe we'll get a little more on this, because it's more of a longer term look at what's been going on. When I sit down with my finance guy after like 3 months, I could look at 3 months of the market, and it gives you a better idea what the market's doing than it does with 1 day. Panic, sell it. Holy fuck, buy it. Oh shit, what am I doing?
Yeah, you'll have a heart attack before you're 45 there, Jimmy.
I should have just paid my mortgage off.
Well,
because I'm fucking. First of all, 6% to the fucking scumbag bank annoys me. So if you can be debt free, I mean, I'm not going to be able to do that. But the less I pay in interest, the happier I am.
How long have you been in the market, though?
A couple of months. That's the
you're
beauty of it.
insane. You're going to lose your mind. Get out. You're going to have to get out because you can't handle this.
I could handle it if it wasn't the worst economic times.
All right, so let it
since
just
1907.
Yeah, you really did kind of get in.
That's not comforting.
All right,
the fact
but just
that
let
I got
it play
in.
out. Just don't look at it for now.
But all the money will be gone by the time it
As
plays
long as
out.
it's solid stocks and you're not doing like.
But I have no faith in any stock because even Apple's down. It's all down.
Apple's gone back up today a little bit. It's up like
Apple was down
$4.50
$20
I'm
today.
just saying, like, that's a big one. I don't.
They want to know: Are you in? Is it an S&P 500 index fund?
I wouldn't know if I don't
people
know.
saying that you might be overreacting. I'm just saying. And
I'm not
I'm not
overreacting.
trying
gotta
to get you
get
riled
into
up.
like flat screen TVs. You know that I heard from inside source they can convert all the TV.
Well, you know,
Fucking Colin.
Colin don't give a shit. I love it.
Colin's like,
We're trying to help Jimmy.
I'm in ones and
No,
fives.
there's nothing you can do to help me. It's what helping me would have been listen to myself and not scumbag
But Jimmy, you're
fucking guys whose whole job it is to stick their little dick beaters on other people's fucking money.
You're gonna lose your mind if you check this thing every day, though.
You know, you feel like you're getting
There's
left out.
nothing you can
You
do.
feel like you're getting left out in the hall when they're making decisions, kind of like Voss.
Oh shit! Oh, where's Voss? Rich, come back in.
Is he
All's
still locked
forgiven.
out?
Probably.
He's standing by the door outside.
Oh, is he really? Let's
Even now, this was up to 300. Now it's back to 240 at 60 points in 5 minutes.
You sure can't watch it minute by minute.
No.
And I normally watching it every day was okay. It would be up a little, be down a little. It was interesting to watch. I'm disgusted that I put it in at this time. Of course, this is. By the way, this is probably why I crashed. The whole thing went down because little Jimmy Norton tried to stick his fucking don't play with men fucking money in the stock market.
You're so.
I'm so accurate. I'm completely accurate.
You're so.
Do you understand?
You're little Jimmy.
I'm negative, right? But every iPhone I've had has been fucking garbage. I put money in the stock market. The fucking countries are collapsing.
I don't mean to laugh.
No, but it's okay. But it's the truth. Why, Jim is so. Jim, why are you so negative, Jim? Why are you so negative, Jim?
You finally go into the market, and it's the worst time in market history.
But I mean, that negativity is accurate.
Oh.
It's accurate.
Boss. Here comes one of those people you were talking about.
Speaking of disasters,
It's accurate.
Oh, wow.
It's not undue negativity, or it's fucking correct.
Invest in porcelain after he does his teeth.
Nobody's using strong terms like that. Undue negativity.
Undue negativity.
Nobody's getting that crazy.
You got to be in for the long haul.
Boss, how was it out there in the hall?
I was almost falling asleep. I was listening to his rant for the 4th time today.
He's
not
a
the
little
oatmeal,
upset.
it's something.
Yeah, Rich, why don't you help out your friend?
Yeah, give him some
happened?
advice on fucking
Give some
finances.
sage advice.
Help a little rascal.
He's in the market. He's looking at what's happening, and he's dropping a lot of money with this fucking situation. He got in at a horrible time because some fucking shyster grabbed a hold of him and said, "I know how."
But no, the guy's
to
not a
invest your money."
shyster. The business manager is actually—he's not a scumbag. He really isn't. I mean, I know he's not. I'd love to say he is. I'm just saying, as a general rule, because that's what they do for a living.
Right.
They are scumbags. But as a guy, he's fine, and I actually do trust his judgment. I'm more disgusted with the whole timing of it. And I know everybody's losing. I know. But you fucking assholes have been here for years. I haven't. I was so fucking smart. I just paid my fucking mortgage.
Yep.
Boss, you're...
No, don't pay your mortgage. That's dumb. Live on the interest and pay the... Fuck you.
See, if you invest your money and you make 10%,
Yep.
and your mortgage is 6%, you're actually making 4% on your money.
I'm so glad I didn't listen to that shit.
So don't pay it off. Just invest it.
Yeah, they wanted me to pay interest only for 10 years. I paid 3/4 of my apartment off already. I'm so glad I didn't listen to these fucking cunts and their financial advice.